These videos were done in partnership with New England Hemophilia Association in attempts to help people with bleeding disorders manage joint issues they may experience. Please use these stretches and exercises to keep your joints healthy. Hey guys, here's some ways to manage knee bleeds through stretching and exercise. So these are going to be some ways we can address some of the restrictions that we may experience from a knee bleed. So this is while the bleed is happening, you are following your instructions from your doctor in terms of infusions, how you treat your bleeds, icing, elevation, compression. You can include some movement into the knee as long as it's gentle and pain-free. So if you have a high surface, a table, something where your legs can hang, this motion of the knee bend, we tend to lose while we have swelling in the joint. So you can use your other foot. If I had my left knee as my active bleed at the moment, I can use my right foot to gently push back into a little resistance and go in and out of that, keeping it gentle, pain-free, 30 to 60 repetitions, just like so. Okay, so that's one option. And we'll go over a couple more options for exercises and stretches for while you have a joint bleed going. We're going to continue to work that bend of the knee because that's, again, the motion we may lose when we have a joint bleed. Grab a strap, a dog leash, even a towel will work, a bath towel. You're going to hook it on your foot like so. And then from this point, laying down, you're going to use your hands and use the strap to help bend that knee and then go out of it. Okay? Keeping it gentle and pain-free. We're just trying to get some motion in the knee, get some circulation, and hopefully get some of the fluid moving. And then another option, so we just did 2 for bending of the knee, that's flexion. This will be for straightening. You take a towel roll, maybe 5 or 6 inch in diameter, place it under the knee, and you're gonna squeeze your thigh muscle so that that towel gets compressed down, okay? Squishing the towel down. Now we're working straightening. If you can get to the point where you can lift your foot up with the knee resting on the towel, that's the goal with this one, okay? Gentle, pain-free. We don't wanna irritate the knee any more than it is. So try those during an active knee bleed. It may help to increase the mobility and maybe decrease some pain. All right, next we're gonna go over some exercise and stretches to strengthen and or stretch the muscles around the knee. So we're talking about the thigh and the calf. This will be the bleed has subsided, your swelling's down, your pain is better, you're kind of back doing your normal things. We saw this one when we went over the ankle stretch. It's your runner's calf stretch. So that calf crosses your knee, so it's still important to do. Although you didn't have an ankle bleed, that calf crosses your knee, so this is still a good one to do. You can hold for 30 to 60 seconds at a time. And then we'll move on to some more strengthening things. Another one that we saw with the ankle series was the balance. So standing on one leg, you're using all those muscles in the lower extremity to keep yourself upright. The next one, you can get a looped band like this. We can put it over our knees. That's gonna be the easiest. You can put it over your ankles. That's gonna be moderate. Around your forefoot is going to be the hardest. And this actually taps into your ankle muscles too, so this is a great option. And starting with the feet shoulder width, just step to the side, like so. Keep your feet straight, and we'll keep that 30 to 60 number as a good target for repetitions. This one you're gonna feel in the outer hips, all down the thighs. Really good one for lower extremity strengthening. The next one would be a squatting motion. So we'll go over the varying difficulties for the squats. You can hold on to a kitchen table, a kitchen counter, and lower the hips down and then back up. This is just a really good lower extremity strengthening exercise. Be sure that your feet are flat, your heels aren't coming up, and work within your comfortable range You can add a weight to that. You can hold the weight out in front of you and do your squatting motion like that as well. And use that 30 to 60 repetition number as a target for you. So that's squatting. The next we can use a step for step-ups. So you can use your stairs at home. So we'll do step-ups first, and then we'll do step-downs. Step-ups, whatever your affected leg is, goes on the step. Drive up, and then your other knee comes up. That way we're using the whole leg to get ourselves up on the step. Another good one, just like the squats, to work your whole leg. Step downs, these are a little more challenging. Whatever the affected leg is, you're gonna have that on the step. You're gonna lower down and just tap your heel on the ground and then back up. So we're working on one leg, you're also adding a little balance in, so that's a little bonus. And again, that 30 to 60 number is a good one to shoot for. So try those after you've had a knee bleed. It's a great way to keep your muscles stretched and strong. Okay, so these next two stretches will be good to do shortly after you've had a knee bleed. The swelling's down, your pain's down, you're kind of back walking and doing your normal activities. They're gonna address the thigh muscles. So the quad is in the front, hamstrings in the back. So let's go over the quad stretch first. You're gonna be on your side and grab your bottom leg. This one we're not stretching, we're stretching the left leg. Grab your ankle and then just pull your knee back like so, okay? And this one you can hold for 30 to 60 seconds at a time. It's meant to be relaxing. We're trying to feel a stretch in the thigh. I'll flip around so you guys can see what it looks like from the other angle. So grab the bottom leg, grab above your ankle, and then pull back, and you'll get a nice stretch in the thigh. The next one for the hamstring, you're just gonna be grabbing behind your knee, like so, and extending the foot to the ceiling. So this one you'll get a good stretch down through the back of the thigh, your hamstring. Please note that you don't want any tingling or anything in the foot. If you do, you're going a little bit too far. If this is an uncomfortable position for your back, just bend your other knee up, and you can do so like that. This one you can do 30 reps, or you can stretch and hold for 30 seconds as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you find these stretches and exercises beneficial in keeping your joints healthy. If you'd like more information, please click the link below.